What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We are talking, of course, in today's video about Shiba Inu. We have a lot to discuss, a lot to go over. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. First things first, Shiba Inu has hit a new all-time high. We are currently sitting at over 1,145,000 new users or holders, basically, of Shiba Inu. Pat on the bats. Round of applause. This is absolutely incredible, guys. Again, Shiba Inu continues to grow at a very stable and very successful rate that I really don't see it slowing down anytime soon. I think going into 2022 now, in Q1, Q2, Q3, and even Q4, I think we're only going to continue to see more and more growth. We know the top 1,000 Ethereum whales are continuing to buy up Shiba Inu in a feeding frenzy. They are still, I think it's the top, I think it's around 14 to 18% of their portfolios, which is literally the number one holding in their portfolios. Absolutely incredible, guys. And again, I think it's all, it's to you guys, right? The Shiba Inu army. This is who I think we can really credit for getting this done. So congratulations to you guys either way. Let's talk a lot of news though. More than 1.1 million holders now hold Shiba Inu meme coin. Just said that, of course. But again, this is a milestone that I think needs to be celebrated and really, of course, beat down on. I think a lot of you guys downplay it because you're probably used to, oh yeah, Shiba Inu just went up, you know, a certain amount of holders, you know, the other day, or right. There's a lot of news constantly happening with Shiba Inu. And I think that when certain things like this does happen, I think this is important to highlight and discuss because, of course, it's good news, right? And it's something I think that we can all rally around and be happy about. But also, little plot twist here. This is the part of the article that I wanted to read. We have a little bit of technical analysis from FX Empire, who is kind of known for their pretty good technical analysis. So let's read a little bit more and see. Shib continues to struggle below its 50-day EMA. The Shib USD daily chart shows that the cryptocurrency has been underperforming in recent weeks. Shib's technical indicators are negative at the moment thanks to losses recorded recently. Here's what they're talking about here as far as the SMA, the 50-day. Shib is trading below its 50-day moving average price of the 4033 level, and the MACD line has been below the neutral zone since November. Indicating a strong bearish trend for Shiba Inu. The RSI of 39 shows that Shib could be soon entering into the oversold region if the existing market conditions is sustained. If the bears remain in control, Shib could lose its first major support level at the 4022 level over the next few hours. In the event of an extended bearish performance, Shib could trade below the 4020 level for the first time since October. Shiba Inu would need support of the broader cryptocurrency market to enable to come out of this ongoing bearish trend. And guys, this is what I've been saying, and I don't know why people don't listen to me, at least people in the comments. No, most of you guys probably are being very respectful, and I appreciate that. Great community members either way. But again, what annoys me is that we get comments like this all the time where it's like all this news and all these catalysts, yet Shiba Inu just continues to go down. I think you're stupid, right? It's just something like that. Guys, you have to understand when you look at the overall cryptocurrency market, we can even go and look like Bitcoin, for instance, right? Overall cryptocurrency market's only up about 0.86% today. When I started making videos this morning, it was down over 1 to 2%. Look at Bitcoin, guys, over the last couple of months, and even over the last year. We'll go to the year. Look, this was back in November, right? We reached a new all-time high for Bitcoin, around $67,000, dumped towards the downside, and we have been doing that ever since, guys. And the reason for this is because the overall markets are just unfortunately in a bearish trend right now, guys. If we were in literally just a couple of months ago, right, the last 6 months, look at this huge rise all the way up to that new all-time high. We're just in a bearish trend right now, guys. And look at this. Every time we've done this, right, where we've shot down to the bottom, started to consolidate a little bit, and then finally hit the literal bottom, we started going back up, right? I think we're going to do that sooner rather than later this year. I don't know exactly when that is, but I'm buying the dips to obviously prepare for it. Speaking of buying the dips, if you guys want to get access to when we are literally notifications on your phone, you get notified when Zach and I are buying the dips. You guys really want to get into our private Discord. It's how you get access to our buy and sell alerts, so you know exactly what we're buying in the crypto and stock markets. We're hunting the next 100, 1,000, and even 10,000 X's in crypto and stocks. Plus, we are also running a 50% off discount on our Discord right now, guys. It's going to be over at the end of the week, and we do not run sales that often, guys. So if you guys want to take advantage of this, I really recommend getting in now while while you can. Okay, 50% off for a limited time only. Go take advantage of it. Go get it while you can right now. When you get signed up with a $10 tier, you guys get access to that tier forever as long as you're in the Discord, and you don't have to pay the $20 tier. That is for people who don't take advantage of the sale right now. So go take advantage of it while you can, guys. I think you guys will really enjoy that community either way. But either way, guys, I think Shiba Inu will be able to bounce back here. I think the overall cryptocurrency market will bounce back here. It's just a matter of time before we see a movement like that. First things first, why Shiba Inu's Robinhood rumors are a bigger deal than Dogecoin's Tesla news. So this is what I've been saying forever, is that again, Dogecoin and Tesla, their little partnership, and who cares? Okay, I don't. Do you care? Maybe you care. Maybe you like Dogecoin. I'm not a big fan of Dogecoin. This is very obvious. I've said this in a lot of videos. But either way, guys, let's see here, right? Expanding the demand. But if Robinhood allows Shiba Inu to be traded on its platform, it should provide a big boost to the adoption of the meme coin. The valuations of cryptocurrency, like the valuations of assets, hinge largely on supply and demand. Robinhood listing Shiba Inu would likely increase the demand for the token. Robinhood reported over 18.9 million monthly active users in the third quarter of 2021. Crypto generated more than 19% of the company's transaction-based revenue in the quarter. The trading platform only supports buying and selling 6 cryptocurrencies right now, though it seems to be a near certainty that more investors would buy Shiba Inu if it were available on Robinhood. I have been saying this. This is 100% true. I've been saying this forever, guys, really. How much Shiba Inu might soar with a listing on Robinhood? I think Dogecoin provides a good case study. Dogecoin price simply jumped 40% in the days following, in addition to Robinhood of the trading platform. Sure, right. But at the same time, again, this is a different market. This is a different cryptocurrency market that we are currently in, and this is something that I think will affect Shiba Inu's price much more significantly than we see, right? And then they kind of talk about buy the rumor. Again, yes, I know it's a Motley Fool article, so they have a little bit of FUD in there before you run to the comments and tell me that maybe you already did. I don't know. But again, they kind of are not probably big fans of Shiba Inu either way. Last little article before we get into some technical analysis and kind of wrap the video up. You're not going to like this article, and I don't like this article, and that's why I'm going to kind of examine it with a fair point, right? But 2 signs that Shiba Inu's crash will continue in 2022. So we have 2 signs here, all right? The greater fool assumption is broken. Shiba Inu's big rally started in October after Elon Musk said he posted a photo of his dog, suggest investors can profit from buying a low-quality asset if they expect to sell it to somebody, the greater fool, at a higher price in the future. Ownership is an alarmingly centralized as Shiba Inu's valuation collapses. You guys get my point. Like, again, it's just weird points. That's all of these articles ever are, is they take these like really small arguments that some, you know, various crypto investors will make who are anti community coins, anti Shiba Inu, anti all of this, and they'll just say, yeah, it's, look at the top 100 Shiba Inu wallets. They own a staggering 81% of the coins in circulation, giving them massive control over the price. Could conduct a rug pull. Again, I don't even know if that's accurate. I'm pretty sure if you look at the Etherscan, the overall circulating supply is distributed out much more widely amongst a bunch of other addresses. And even then, this is likely more whales than it is the dev team. And even if it is the dev team, we know that the dev team has been working on Shiba Inu for the longest time ever, right? Again, this has been going on for a year now. I would have thought that if they were going to rug pull, you know when they would have rug pulled? Let me show you. Right here, okay? This is when they would have rugged. That is when they would have rugged, because they would likely have millions, multi-millions in their wallets, okay? So again, this is a stupid article, but I wanted to point it out because you're probably wondering, why did you waste our time with that? The reason I wasted your time with that was that you guys need to be aware that there is a lot of people in this world who do not like this token, who do not like Shiba Inu, and they will fight tooth and nail to let you know about it. And especially big corporations like this, big news organizations like this will say stuff about this. And I think it's important for me to get this information out there, but also to have my own take on it and to explain it to you guys in a way that you guys hopefully will understand and say, yeah, you know what, like that is right. Like they are kind of just making these really invalid points about this, and I don't agree, right? That is the overall goal that I have when I read this article. Just to let you guys know. If you guys want to pick up a free stock, public.com, first link down in the description below. All you guys got to do is sign up and deposit at least $1. You guys get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70. So it's a great deal for some free money either way. Plus, get access to our Discord, guys. Great place to be. Awesome buy and sell alerts every single day that we post. And of course, 50% off. You guys can take advantage of the sale while you can. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.